Shit, man. It's all good. You got this.
Aim for that flatbed truck down there!
Truck? What fucking truck?
The one that's accelerating, duh! Boom! Fear cocktail with the twist. Shaken, not stirred. Drink it in, big guy.
Yeah, I see it. Okay, whatever you say, man.
Oh, look who put on his big boy pants this morning,
Looks like you walking, my friend.
Dude, it's me, Jeff. No way. The Dominator didn't make it. Anyway, I'm gonna drop you off at the rendezvous spot, all right?
Yeah.
You overcooked it, huh? Shit. I'm the king, the emperor, the supreme being of overcooking. I'll incinerate whatever you put in front of me. Boom! Nuke that shit. Man, I was just saying you missed a truck, dawg. Maybe a gust of wind or something, that's cool. Nah, it ain't cool. Land at reservoir now, bitch. We'll set the sliders to maximum and bust your tiny little processor. Boom!